Hello, this is Linden from Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfurt. Right in front of me, I have a 24 Malibu LS. I'm going to introduce you to the function of the key. If you notice on the key, you got the unlock and the lock, and you got the remote start, and you got to hit it twice for to pop the trunk. Let's demonstrate its keyless entry. If you touch the lock right here, no problem, it's open up. Very nice. If you close it and hit it twice, and then if you hold down the start button 3 seconds and let it go, and start up. If you want to shut it off, just press it again, shuts off. Now if you want to go ahead and open the trunk, hit this twice, the trunk come open. Now if you have any questions on this vehicle, you can reach me at 815-469-2323 and my extension is 394. Thank you and have a great day.